Well guys, it's me again with another tool review here. I just cut the box open here. I haven't peeked at it, nothing. It's tear open here. Okay, you're gonna want to be careful because there's instructions here when you cut open, so don't cut too deep. 8-gallon oil. Okay, I'll go back. Okay, first thing I see is this handlebar here. I'm gonna take that out if I can, you know. Take that out there. Set that aside. Take out this thing here. What is this? Almost a cord and something. Something else there. Here's the, looks like a regulator. I'll have to read the manual to find out what all this stuff is, but looks like a regulator and some hardware there. I'll come back when I get all this stuff out of the box. Okay guys, I got it out of the box here. There's tape. Is there tape on this thing? Yeah, there's tape right here. Careful so you don't hit anything that you need. There's tape on both sides of the phone. Got that right on. Break this stuff out. Oh, wait a minute. Don't throw it away yet. There's tires on. There's tires on right there. So, yeah. Here we go. I'm just using this little box cutter here. There's, looks like one tire on this side. Yeah, that's it. There must be a tire on, yep, there's another tire right there. For the left side, I think. For the right side, I don't know. I don't think it matters which one goes to which though. Get my box cutter on again. First, use enough tape, yeah. I'm not. Yeah, I guess you're alright. I tell you, this one here has knobs on it right there. It's not completely smooth all the way. Alright guys, I'm back. I put the wheels on down there. Put the handle on. The wheels, there's a bolt right there that goes through the wheel, through the metal, right there. And there's a lock, washer, and a nut. Right there's a nut. You can't see the washer, but it's black. Got both sides on. Oh, the handle. The handle, I think, is the stupidest idea ever, okay? There's these little pegs here, right there, that I thought went in these holes here for these bolts, but they go on the inside. And you have to align the screw with a with a thing on it, you know, a washer. You have to align it to one of those holes, align it to the farthest one back. You gotta screw it in. Then you gotta do it to this one, and that one, and another one on the other side. You gotta do it to the two on the other side too. There's two on each side. They are a bitch to line up. They are. Now I see here I got a, we're skipping a step. We're skipping a step here in the manual. But, I got this here. I think it's a breather valve or something. Yeah, there's an air filter in it. Yeah, see that? There's an air filter in there. 2 holes. Oh, my bad, 3 holes in it. I might enlarge those holes a little bit, maybe. If I like this air compressor. But, let's see what this says here. You can stop, you can pause it now and read it, you know. But, it says, thread the air filter onto the side of the cylinder head. Check and fill oil according to section below. Okay, let's put this on the air cleaner first. Air filter, air cleaner, whatever, you know. Screw it on. Right there's the port right there. It's more than likely gonna be on top of the cylinder, because that's where it sucks in the air. Actually, let me get some pipe dope. The white thread stuff. I'll grab it here and I'll show you. Okay, I was gonna take this air filter over here so I could show you guys what they put these on. Really tight. I can't even get them off. I suppose you could with wrecking or wiring the paint up and stuff, but I don't want to do that. So this is the pipe dope that I was talking about here. It comes in this round thing here with a little blue on it. It's what does it say? Harvey. Let me see here. Yeah, that's not English. Oh, thread seal tape. That's what it's called. Yeah, that's what it's called. Thread seal. You can't see it. It's called thread seal tape. This stuff comes in a roll here, you know, like this. You just pull some off here. You put it around your pipe. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this because I'm holding it with my chin. So you get a little piece of it, you wrap it around 2-3 times. Oops, sorry. And you wrap it around 2-3 times in the opposite direction of what you're going to be screwing it on. Because if you put it on in the same direction, it's going to want to come off. And it won't seal properly. So this stuff works pretty, I like this stuff. We use this on a camper water heater tank. Put like 2-3 spins of it on. And it holds water, otherwise the not cork, but it's basically like a long bolt with threads on it. You know, otherwise it won't seal and water's gonna spill all over the place. And then the water tank won't hold water. You know, but this is what I use. This is how I'm gonna do here. You do it however you want to. You screw it on. Now I put this stuff on opposite of what I'm gonna be threading it on here, so it doesn't come off. I like this thread tape. Oops. Because it seals pretty good. Get my crescent wrench here. It won't even fit in there. Probably. I don't. This one's too small. Yeah, it's too small. Try the crescent wrench. That won't fit. Unless skinnier crescent wrench than that, you won't be able to tighten up that nut on there. You just have to do it by hand. There we go, that's pretty good. Now the next thing we're gonna do is fill the oil up here. Now I seen I was watching a video on YouTube last night, and this guy had a 2.5 horsepower, 10-gallon air compressor. This is a 2 horsepower, 8-gallon compressor, and his didn't come with oil. But I don't know what this is, but it says warning: please add proper oil before starting air compressor. So this must be a bottle of oil I'm supposed to put in it. Now, well, let's just do this here. Here, hold on, I'm gonna put you on. I can open the bag that comes in. Now, on mine it came attached with a plastic zip tie to the cord there. Now on mine here, there's a label here that says add compressor oil, and it's pointing up to this thing here. Sorry if you didn't see that, you know, to that thing there. I don't like this because it's plastic going into aluminum, and I think I've already cross-threaded. But you can probably get it bolted up about the same size and the same thread pitch and everything, and just put that going in there. It won't be better than this plastic chintzy fucking thing. I mean, it's just a hollow old plastic, you know. But take that out. Yuck. There's holes in the damn thing too. That's gross. I just saw it on my phone. Oh well, but there's oil check level thing. Oh, it has to be in the middle there, in the middle of that red dot there. It has to be in the middle of it. Otherwise, you'll overfill it or underfill it. See right there, there's a picture. I can't see that. Overfill above the red circle, fill middle of the circle, low is below the circle. There's the red thing, red dot. So I'm gonna fill until I get to the red dot, and we're gonna come out.